Hi, I'm David for AndroidPIT, and today I have a new smartphone for you from Nokia, the 7.1. This isn't a high-end flagship, the Nokia 9 that fans have been anticipating, but it does have a lot to offer and it only costs around $400. Let's take a look. Nokia has always been able to build quality smartphones and nothing has changed since HMD Global made its comeback. When you hold the Nokia 7.1 in your hand, you'll notice it immediately. It's really stylish. The rounded glass on the front and back is held together by a matte aluminium frame with eye-catching edges. With a thickness of almost 8mm and a weight of 160 grams, the Nokia 7.1 is very comfortable to hold. The device is available in dark blue and black, and the blue version looks especially classy. Despite its 5.84-inch display, the Nokia 7.1 looks pretty compact in comparison to many other new smartphones. Of course, this is largely due to the slim bezels around the display, and only the area on the lower edge is quite wide. The display has a full HD Plus resolution and is HDR capable. HMD calls it its pure display. The dual camera on the back of the Nokia 7.1 bears the Zeiss logo. It brings back memories of earlier Nokia smartphone camera legends such as the Lumia 1020. We'll have to wait and see in our tests whether the Nokia 7.1 can live up to this reputation. The two sensors have resolutions of 12 and 2 megapixels. Nokia uses a second camera to reduce image noise and create a bokeh effect. There's also an 8 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. HMD Global trusts Google, and the Nokia 7.1 operates on Android One, the pure Android software without any manufacturer add-ons and a supply of proper updates. That's great, and more manufacturers should do this. HMD Global guarantees Android updates for 2 years and security patches for 3 years. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 and 3GB of memory, the Nokia 7.1 is fast enough, even if higher-end smartphones are a pinch faster. The device has 32GB of internal storage but can be expanded with a memory card. Alternatively, you can add a second SIM card into the device instead of a microSD. The Nokia 7.1 has a 3000 mAh battery. This isn't an outstanding size, but it should be enough to get you through the day without any problems. Charging is done via USB-C. The Nokia 7.1 costs around €339 in Europe, which is about $400. With its nice design, the Zeiss camera and Android One all for under $400, the device has got a lot going for it. The Nokia 7.1 will find itself in a very competitive price class. We'll have to see if it can hold its own against the competition. Oh, and by the way, HMD Global is also releasing in-ear headphones, which will cost around $100 as an accessory. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.